Okay, this is a tutorial for full color separation for Cmyk, the process colors. So this is the image we used before in class. You can find this image on Google. Just a type portrait, and you can find this. Okay, so first, this downloaded image has a RGB color mode, so we need to change the color mode from RGB to Cmyk color. Full color process colors. So click on it. Okay. Now check the channels. Now we have four different channels now: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So we're gonna start from black as we did, and click on the this drop-down menu and choose the split channels. And the Photoshop will split this image into four different channels: black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. And we're gonna start from black. Okay. Now before I change the mode, I'm going to open my layers panel. Okay. So go to images mode. Change the mode from grayscale to bitmap. So bitmap. And then since this image has a 300 dpi resolution, I'm gonna keep it for the output 300. And then method use, we're gonna use a halftone screen. So choose the halftone screen. And OK. And then this is the halftone screen options. Frequencies, I'm gonna keep the 55 lines per inch, and then angle for the black, we're gonna use 15-degree angle. 15-degree angle is kind of a general angle for the black plate, and the shape round. And OK. Now this is a bitmap. Go to mode and change it from bitmap to grayscale, and size ratio just 1. So this is a halftone screen for black. And then before we jump to the next plate, we're going to delete this white spot. So click on unlock your background layer, and then choose the select color range, click on white, OK, and delete. OK, so black is done. Now next one, yellow. We're gonna repeat basically the same step. It's a kind of a routine. Okay, so I'm on yellow. I'll do the same step. Image mode, change the grayscale to bitmap, 300, halftone screen, everything's the same. Okay, and the only thing we're gonna change is the angle for each plate. So for the yellow, I'm gonna enter the 0-degree angle, and OK. Then image mode, grayscale, and OK. And then unlock your background layer, select color range so we can delete that white spot, and OK, and delete. Okay, and then before we jump to the magenta, I'm gonna apply the process yellow. So to apply the process yellow color on it, change the mode from grayscale to Cmyk color, process color. Okay, and then now we're gonna apply the color overlay under your layers panel. Click on it and choose color overlay. Then click on this color palette and color libraries, and the book drop down menu, please choose the Pantone plus Cmyk coded or uncoded. I'm gonna choose a coded. and move your scroll bar all the way up to the top, and now we can see the four process color: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So this is yellow, so click on yellow. Okay, and okay. So this is done. Yellow is done. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the magenta. Same way. Image mode from grayscale to bitmap. Everything's the same. Okay. I'm not going to change anything but the angle. For the magenta, the general angle, the value is a 75 degree. And wow. round shape. Okay. And then image mode, changing the mode from bitmap to grayscale. And okay. Then in the layers, unlock the background layer so we can delete the white. Select color range and okay, and delete. Okay, so white is gone. And then under images mode, changing the mode from grayscale to Cmyk so we can apply process magenta on it. Okay. Same steps. In your layers panel, choose color overlay. Then click on the palette, color libraries, Pantone Cmyk coded. Scroll all the way up and choose the magenta because this is a magenta plate. Okay. And okay. So magenta is done. So far, black, yellow, and magenta, and the last one for the cyan. That's what we're gonna do. Same step, exactly the same step. Image mode, changing the mode from grayscale to bitmap. Everything's the same. I'm not gonna change anything but the angle. For the cyan, it's gonna be 45. Okay. And then change the mode from bitmap to grayscale. Okay. Now unlock your layers. Your background layer so that we can delete the white. Select color range. Okay. And delete. Okay. Now the last step. We just need to apply process cyan on it. So change the mode from grayscale to Cmyk again. Okay. And then apply color overlay. Click on the palette, color libraries, Pantone Cmyk coded all the way up, and cyan. Okay. And okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this 4 thing. Okay, now we just need to change it. Save it as portrait.jpg. Make sure that you're saving as a PSD file for now. Okay, on the desktop, I'm gonna make a new folder. I'm gonna name it as a Cmyk on my desktop. So that's it. And for my magenta file, save as a magenta. Okay. Yellow file, save as. Okay, yellow. And the last one, black file, save as black. Okay. Okay, so I think this is done.